A new development environment from Laravel, from the Laravel team. And this is Laravel Herd, which is available either for Windows and for macOS. And it's a development environment that includes PHP and NPM with Node.js. Everything you need to develop an application using Laravel is inside this environment. You can just click on the download button and everything is gonna be like very easy for you. So let's have a look. So click on the download button and then we choose the place where we want to save this file. So this is the installer and let me save it. And as soon as the download finishes, we can install this software on our local machine. So as soon as it's finished, yeah, we can click on it and then open up this file. And when this is opened, we can start the installation process. So Laravel Herd is about to install, and when it's done, we will have a new development environment available in our machines. So finish, and it's actually done. We need to launch the installer, and then when the installer has completed the installation, you will see like a window appearing for PowerShell, where we install all the dependencies that Laravel Herd needs to work. So let's click on a Laravel Herd icon, and then this pop-up appears. You can select the network you want to allow access to it, and then here is the welcome page. So we can just get started and click on the red button to get started, and then Laravel Herd is about to download PHP 8.3, and then also we'll install NPM and Node.js. So I'll be back in a minute as soon as the installation of Node.js is completed. Okay, so it's about to complete the installation. It is extracting Node.js and then an NPM, and as soon as it's done, we will have Laravel Herd on our machine. So installation complete. Laravel Herd is on your face. Skip the activation for now. We are not using the pro version, just the free available version. It's we have two different versions, the pro version and the free community version, and this is what we are going to use. And we will start Laravel Herd as soon as the machine boots. And here we have the Laravel Herd documentation. And in the next video, I'll show you how to configure everything, and I'll see you later. Cheers.